tell, I'm not really good at vlogging, but I've been having a lot of fun and getting a lot of basically B-roll and just wandering around and doing whatever I feel like. And honestly, this has been the best trip ever. But I am heading home in a few hours. I got 4 more hours before I gotta head to the airport and head back to wonderful Seattle. But it's just hard to be in a bad mood when you're in a place like this. I love it. They say that's the wildest ride in the wilderness. They are not kidding. That might just be because I've never been on any other ride in the wilderness. Might be the only ride in the wilderness. So it is definitely hot. I am definitely tired, and I need somewhere cool and dark to sit down. Oh. Let's go check it out. May not be the coolest thing in Disneyland, but it literally is the coolest thing. And on a hot day, I don't think there's anything better than taking a break in the tiki room. Sure, it's a kid's ride, but it was fun. And besides, like I always say, the worst, most boring day at Disneyland is still way better than the best day at work. I was a duck, and I'd never have to leave. But I'd have to eat stale discarded bread, and I can't eat gluten. You know what? I'm glad I'm not a duck. Alright, I am heading back to the hotel to grab my stuff, and then I'm going to the airport. It has been fun, it has been hot, and most importantly, it's been a day at Disneyland, which, as I said earlier, is better than a day anywhere else, especially a day at work.